Okay. I just say, and to just end that, with that being said, I try not to have that to happen with me and my kids. You know what I mean? So,
You
like
try not
I
to do
step
what
out.
now with your kids?
The things that I've seen,
Hmm.
with my own family, I try, not to do that. I try to do the opposite.
Okay.
But the thing is, like, if you know, if you're even friends with someone that isn't doing the same thing,
I don't know what you're
that's
talking about, man.
when,
Okay, man.
um,
You're not making it.
if
Okay. Stop. I need you to breathe.
okay,
You're just talking. I try not to do things the same. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you have kids at home?
I do.
Are you married?
I'm not.
All right. Are you seeing someone?
No.
So what are we talking about?
We were talking about a comment that I've heard you make a couple of times as far as
You're not married.
um
You're not seeing anybody. So why should you have any discord with your kids? There's no
because
relationship.
that doesn't mean that I'm never going to see anyone. That doesn't mean that I'm not open to dating. You know, so that's fine
Fuck
because
this
I
shit,
know
I'm out.
the things that I don't do.
Fuck this shit, I'm
You
out.
idiot woman! Idiot woman!
I'ma just grab myself and excuse me, please.
But I do have another thing that I want to say. If you have
Fuck
any
this shit, I'm out.
You idiot woman! Idiot woman!
But I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck out of here. This shit, I'm out.
Respect my statement that you said, but also it's
I told you. What did I tell you?
You know what? I am a strong, independent woman.
And when did I tell you? A long time ago.
You know what? I am a strong, independent woman.
Idiot woman.
Idiot woman.
I know.
I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
So,
Cause I told you.
it's kind of
And
like,
when did
why
I
did this
tell you?
person
A long
like
time
really
ago. And what did I say? What happened when I told you? Exactly what just happened.
So do you think that you think that you're dating like if I date someone that's the same person
Did I not make myself clear?
else has dated as far as like the same personality? So I mean a better personality than somebody else.
Kevin, fuck this shit, I'm out.
And I'm not saying me.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab myself and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.